All right, let's get started. Hi, my name is John. I'm from Inspur. If you're looking for another John Leung from Intel, I'm sorry, I'm not that John. Same name, same last name, but I'm John Leung from Inspur. Thank you for coming for this presentation. Today I'm going to share with you about our journey, about how to adopt the GP Enterprise solution in a 19-inch form factor. So here's the scope of it. But before, I'm not trying to read every single word of it, but I want to see some hand, right? So anyone remember at the OCP summit, there's one platform contributed to the foundation, which is a 2OU with the 3 note on horizontal. Anyone remember that platform? No. Thank you. We have one. So anyone first time OCP summit? Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so I hope that this presentation will be more interesting to you because today I'm going to talk about general purpose enterprise 19-inch server platform. So let's back up to the history, right? 2019. I think Inspur has contributed the first 4-socket motherboard to the OCP foundation. I think at that time we do have a large use cases with another large cloud player to configure the 4-socket as the host server with the GPU acceleration as a solution for the use cases. With that, we contributed the motherboard to the foundation, and then we are not just stopping there, but then we will continue to support the 4-socket platform to the next generation, which is the Kubernetes, based on Kubernetes platform 4-socket. So this is for the compute usage in particular, right? High memory footprint, in particular for in-memory application, also maybe for the AI application use cases. But then we also have a storage platform that contributed to the foundation, which we partnered with Samsung. So I would like to encourage you to go visit Samsung booth because they do have the Poseidon project to showcase today at the show floor. And then today, I think they announced the version 2.0, which is the 2U form factor based on the E3 form factor devices in the front for the storage. So version 1, 2020, based on E1. Version 2, 2022, based on the E3. So you can go visit over there at the Samsung booth. You can see the platform over there. The platform specification also will be contributed to the foundation as well. So compute, and then the storage. We do want to give the community a consistent support in terms of the platform we contributed to the foundation. And then the next year, we probably will come up with the next generation based on the previous generation to continue to support this platform so that the enterprise customer will be more easier to follow and accelerate the adoption of 19-inch general purpose server platform. So as I said, the GP Enterprise Server spec already contributed to the foundation. You can always search for the specification on that. But just a quick overview, right? On the far left-hand side, which are the baseline feature we specify, what will be a GP server at a 19-inch form factor should be, right? More like a baseline, not necessarily will be everything, but we try to come up with a common ground. That's why you can see some other vendor name here, Flex and also Supermicro, right? So we do share some common knowledge or experience from different customer sectors to gather some idea what will be the baseline for the GP Enterprise server. So here, this is the detail of that. I don't want to go through every single detail of that, but I'm sure you understand easily when you see all the spec here quickly. But for Inspur open OCP Inspire product, we already have it ready to ship. So this is the 1U high density storage platform, which also can be converted to support all E1.S as an all-flash storage usage. So this is one of the ready to ship product based on current generation. Now imagine, right now, especially in this exhibition floor, right, you can see a lot of different choices, right, of silicon, like Intel, you will see AMD, you also see Ampere over there, right? So imagine we have offer off-the-shelf GP enterprise server specification based on those platforms. We offer you 2-socket option, we offer you single socket option, and then apply into the same chassis on the left-hand side. So imagine that the combination, you can imagine how many can be, right? So that all the enterprise customer can have the choices to pick and choose. Not only because this is general purpose server, right? But the ingredients inside the box we adopted definitely will be the OCP NIC card, right? I think this is one of the most success OCP specification, the highest adoption rate. I think you can see everywhere on the floor. I would say 90%, 95% of the server platform will have OCP NIC, right? So imagine OCP NIC story, right? What will be the next? What will be the next thing after the OCP NIC, right? Will that be something you heard about, DCMHS? Anyone heard about this term in this show, in this exhibition, right? So making hardware modularized, but not only making the hardware modularized, but on top of it, there will be some software stack on top of it, right? Microsoft talk about DC stack, right? So, but for the common ground, let's talk about hardware platform first, right? So imagine, so we already incorporate OCP NIC card in our general purpose platform. What will be the next, right? So anyone heard about DCSCM? DCSCM, thank you. So you probably will hear a lot in the show floor as well. So DCSCM will be making the system management modularized in the platform. So imagine the top portion of the two little card, right? On the left-hand side will be the OCP NIC. On the right-hand side will be the DCSCM. And then on the bottom side, we call it the host processor module, right? So make the whole platform modularized like that way. And then imagine the next wave to adopt the DCSCM is coming maybe down the road, very early next year, right? So what do you think, right? We want to hear about your opinion. We want to hear about your input. What do you think about the next of the GP enterprise server should be, and what kind of OCP technology we can adopt quickly and then apply to general purpose enterprise customer? Because we do see below hyperscaler, there's a large opportunity that customer would like to adopt OCP technology, but they just not there yet to able to quickly to use the open rack right away. Maybe they can start with the 19-inch general purpose enterprise server with some ingredients like OCP NIC, like DCSCM for the system management, and then gradually they can adopt the OCP technology all the way from year to year, and then more easy for them to grow, right? As they go into in a certain scale, then definitely the open rack could be the better solution for them, right? But to start off at the beginning, maybe the GP enterprise server spec will be a good start for them to consider, to take a look, to think about, right? So we would like to hear from you. We'll have a booth over there on my right-hand side over there. So please come talk to us and let us know your opinion, your suggestion, your input. We would like to listen to it. And then maybe for the next platform, we can take your input and then apply into the GP and enterprise server spec. Thank you.